Bless your hearts even more.
They found that in the road.
Sorry. Did they?
Thanks for all you did. Thanks for being you. Love Gary, Cheryl, Stephen, and Sarah.
Come here. Come here.
Austin, love you, JR, Mark. We love you very much. Your favorite daughter, Carol. Thanks for being my sister. Did I have any choice? Oh, thank y'all very much.
You're welcome.
I'm not going to cry like Betty and Cheryl.
Oh, no.
But I appreciate it. Cheryl's crying. Get a picture of her. Get a picture of Cheryl. She's crying for me.
You did. Look at
You won't cry, I'll cry.
Well, that's easy to do. Man.
I was reading her card.
Hey, Carol's
And I said, I'm not a crier, so I'm not going to cry like Cheryl and Betty did. And I looked over there, and Cheryl is just... I said, get Cheryl. Where's Matt? Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it.
Open your gun.
Open your gun.
And a gun, too?
Oh, and then you can shoot that deer.
You gotta protect yourself, Linda.
This child has a problem.
Your grandson. It's an ironing board, looks like to me.
I know. I'm trying to guess.
Move, Austin.
It's metal
It is.
or something hard like metal or wood.
Christian.
That's a big cutter.
Let us see, too. Robbers.
And gloves.
This is awesome. At least I don't have to get down on my hands and knees now when I cut this thing.
Them things are good, too, I'll tell you for sure.
Y'all are too much.
You have to open them by
The handle.
But you gotta loosen the screws?
No, just open them at the bottom.
You gotta
Open
pull
them.
that nut down.
Grab the handles and
Yep,
open them.
at the bottom.
Where the
Grab it
handles
at the bottom, yeah.
Big scissors.
Yeah, and then pull.
Oh! I can do that standing up.
That's gonna give you muscles, Linda.
The ones Carol loaned me are about this long.
Are those loppers? I thought they were the teacher flap things. Make your boobs bigger.
Yeah. Well, they will help. Yeah.